Hello students, welcome to my channel School Online 24/7. Today I am going to describe bringing up Kari's second part. I have already uploaded and explained the first part of this chapter on my YouTube channel. First of all, the first part you should watch and then you should start the second part. The first part link is given below in the description box. Watch it. Okay, now I'm going to start the second part, but have a look on the first part. In the first part, you saw the story of bringing up Kari takes us through the life of the narrator who has a baby elephant named Kari. The boy grows together with Kari and through this story narrates his experiences. On one day, Kari pushed him, means the narrator, into the stream only to save another drowning boy. And both were saved the life of drowning boy. And now I'm going to explain the second part of this chapter. Let us start the second part from there. Okay. Kari was like a baby. He had to be trained to be good, and if you did not tell him when he was naughty, he was up to more mischief than ever. Okay. In this paragraph, the narrator described about the behavior of the baby elephant. Means Kari was just like a baby. Kari was so young and he is still behaved just like a baby. He is also notorious. So he gets checked whenever he is being mischievous. It means when someone or anybody just like your author trained to be him good habit when he did any mistake and any mischief, and if he already reminded it, he was never repeated it. But if anyone not describe, not tell him about his mistake, he became more mischievous than ever. For instance, one day somebody gave him some bananas to eat. Very soon he developed a great love for ripe bananas. But over time, Curries developed a taste of bananas. How? Someone gave him bananas to eat. Intense means, for example, or case, someone gave him banana to eat, and very early and very soon he grew, means he became fond of to ripe bananas. Ripe bananas means ready to be picked and to be eaten. And the author explained about his dining room. They used to keep a large plate of fruits on the table in dining room, and the table was situated, it was placed near a window, and on this table they put a large plate, and this plate was full of bananas. One day all the bananas on the table was disappeared. Disappeared means to become impossible to see or to find, means invisible. And his family blamed the servant for eating all the fruits in the house. A few days later, the fruit disappeared again, and this time the blame was put on me. And I knew I had not done it. It made me very angry with my parents and the servants also, for I was sure that had taken all the fruit. The next time the fruit disappeared, I found a banana all smashed up in a curry's pavilion. And after a few days, the bananas again disappeared, again invisible from the table. Someone stole them. Then, this time the blame was put on your author, means the parents of the author and the servants also think about it that the author was stole all the bananas from the dining table. But the author know about it. He has not done it. Means he had not stole the bananas from the table. It made him very angry to his parents and the servants also, for he was sure about it that he had not taken the fruit. Someone else, means somebody else like the servants or any other else, had taken all the fruit from the dining table. The next time the fruit disappeared again, and the author found a squashed banana, a smashed banana. Smashed means to break something. It was badly smashed by someone, by somebody in Kari's pavilion, in Kari's shelter house. And this surprised to your author very much because everyone know about it, and we can see it in the first part. We saw it the first part that the Kari lived on a twins. The twins, which is tender, soft, delicate, and the twigs of banyan trees. And he never ate any type of fruits. But when the author found a smashed banana in his pavilion, in Kari's pavilion, he became very surprised. Next day, while I was sitting in the dining room, wondering whether I should take some fruit from the table, and the next day, when your author was moving around here and there, and he was in the dining room. First of all, he was sitting in the dining room, and after some time, he stand and wandering here and there in the dining room, and he wanted to take some fruit from the dining table, and suddenly, what he was, without my parents' permission, a long black thing, very much like a snake, suddenly came through the window and disappeared with all the bananas. I was very much frightened because I had never seen a snake eat bananas, and I thought it must be a triple snake that would sneak in the take and fruits. I crept out of the room and with a great fear in my heart ran out of the house, feeling sure that the snake would come back into the house, eat all the bananas, all the fruits, and kill all of us. And suddenly he watched, without his and his parents' permission, a long, huge something black, and it looks like a snake, suddenly came from the window into the dining room and took all the bananas from the dining table and disappeared from where, and disappeared from any other place. I was very much frightened. Means your author became very fearful. He was very frightened. Frightened means fearful or afraid from something, because He had never seen such a huge snake which was which is eat banana. And I thought, and your author thought about that, it was must be a tribble means very unpleasant snake, and it would definitely took ate all the food. And he was thinking this. He was running out from the room with a fear in his heart, and he was sure about that the snake would come back again into the house and he will eat all the fruit. It will eat all the fruits and kill all of us, means all the family member of your narrator's house. As I went out, I saw Kari's bag disappearing in the direction of the pavilion, and I was so frightened that I wanted his company to cheer me up. I ran after him into the pavilion and I found him there eating banana. I stood still astonishment. The bananas were laying strewn all round him. He stretched out his trunk and reached for one far away from where he was standing that instant. And when the author ran out from the house, suddenly he saw Kari's bag was disappearing. Disappearing means to become impossible to see. It was going to very far away in the direction of the pavilion, and he found the Kari was going into the direction of his shelter, and he was so frightened at that time, and he wanted to company of Kari because he wanted to cheer him up, and he followed the Kari into his shelter place, and he found into the pavilion the Kari was standing there and eating bananas, and he stood very surprised there because he never saw this thing, because he was very surprised when he looked Kari was eating bananas. Kari was laying strawing all around him. Means Kari stood between the bananas, and all the bananas strewn means scattered all around Kari. Kari stretched out his trunk and took a banana, and far away from that place where the Kari was standing. That instant means happening suddenly or immediately. And after this, suddenly trunk looked like a black snake, and suddenly author reviewed all the things. When he looked the snake, it was resembled just like a trunk. Means he realized that it was not any other person, not any snake. Means it was the trunk of his elephant. So the Kari was the thief. I went to him, pulled him out by the ear, and joyously showed with my parents that it was Kari and not I that had eaten all the fruit these many weeks. And he became very happy when he found the thief, because he wanted to show the thief to his parents. So he pulled him out from his shelter place by the ear, and he was very happy that time because he wanted to show him to his parents that It was the Kari who stole all the bananas from so many weeks, not me. Then I scolded him, and after this, the author is scolded. Scolded means to find fault with angrily, chide, and reprimand. Means the author scolded the Kari very badly. And for an elephant, understand word as well as children means for animals just like an elephant. Elephant is a very wise creature and they understand all the words just like a children. And I said to him, next time I see you stealing fruit, you will be whipped. Means the author scolded him and said to him, if I will find him to stealing bananas, to stealing fruits, to steal fruit, he will be whipped. Whipped means to hit a person or an animal with a hard whip. And he knew that we were all angry, and the elephant, the Kari, knew about that, all of us angry to him for this act. Even the servants also angry to Kari. His pride was so injured that he never stole another thing from the dining room. And from then on, if somebody gave him any fruit, he always squealed as if to thank them. And after this incident, his pride, he was so injured. Injured means wounded. He was very injured from the behavior of us. And after this, he never stole anything from the dining room. And if someone gave him any type of fruit just like apple, bananas or anything else, he always thanked them with a squeal. Squeal means cry, a loud sound. An elephant is willingly to be punished for having done wrong. But if you punished him without any reason, he will remember it and pay you back in your own coin. But in the case of an elephant, you know the elephant is a very wise animal. But if an animal means an elephant did any wrong thing, did any mistake, it will receive punishment without any wrong act, without anything. But if you will punish him without any reason, he will remember it in his memory, he will keep it in his memory and pay you back in your own coin. It means if someone has treated you badly or unfairly and you pay back them in their own coin. Just like if someone treated an elephant badly, he treated them also in exactly and same way that they have treated him. Okay. Now the part 2 is end. And I hope you all understood the video. And if anyone faced any problem about the chapter, about any line of the part 2, then please comment me on the YouTube channel. And if you all understood the chapter, you leave a comment also. Like the video, share it and subscribe channel and press the bell icon for the notification. And thanks for watching this video.